Alright, flight sequence is engaged. Nick, you there, buddy?
I'm here.
Alright, all critical systems are nominal. Fuel gauge complete.
Check.
Weather systems.
Check.
Range safety.
Check.
Merch verification.
Check.
Alright, Nick, we are good for liftoff. T-minus 5 seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2.
Wait.
What?
I forgot my beanie. It's freaking cold in space.
Nick, it's fine. You don't need your beanie. We're totally fine without it.
I will not launch without my beanie.
Okay, let's call off the launch then. Launch is a no-go.
That's right.
You guys, I never go anywhere without my beanie. Go to bigbearweatherandmore.com. The merch is out of this world. Oh my God! What is going on, everybody? I can't freaking believe this. It's starting to come down pretty darn good right now. This is crazy. Look, I can't even see out the windshield. Woo! Just went to Vaughn's. I just uploaded a video, and now it has to be snowing pretty darn good right now. So it is what it is. I love doing this. Hopefully I don't run into anything. Hopefully nothing I run into. Oh, I need to turn this on defrost here. Oh, where am I going? Okay. It's gonna be fogged up for a little bit, but it'll get better. It'll get better. So, don't forget, you guys, go to that time-lapse video, the one that says $200 giveaway. If we hit 1,000 likes within 11 and a half more days, we will be giving away a $200 Visa gift card. So hit the like button. To win, to be picked, you have to leave a comment, because that's where we're picking the winner from. And you got to be subscribed. But yeah, I think we're gonna do it, guys. I'm really excited. But look at the snow. I'm gonna turn on the brights. Look at this. Freaking bad ace. I'm very excited about this, as you can imagine. So yeah, looky what we got out here. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, you guys. I put a lot of effort into this, and I'd really appreciate it. Also, don't forget, there's only a few more weeks left of skiing, so come get your rentals at Getboards on Big Bear Boulevard. All their information is in the description of the videos. If you mention the channel, they'll give you 15% off of your entire order of rentals. And first responders, look at the snow. First responders, you guys get 50% off every Wednesday and free skiing every Wednesday up here for the first responders. So come take advantage of that. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how much it's snowing right now. I can hardly even see. This is sick, dude. This is insane. That is so beautiful. I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh, like this is mind-blowingly awesome here. So this is going to be a fairly quick update. I don't think it's going to get any heavier than this throughout the night, and I hope not, because I got to get to sleep. I have to leave here at 6:15 in the morning to go to Long Beach. Oh, no. I don't want to go. Also, guys, you know I like to help some small businesses up here. You need to understand, the people that I'm talking about, I've gotten to know them really, really well. They're good people, also have good products. So that's why I refer you guys to them. I guarantee you there's a lot of other amazing small business owners. Big Bear Coffee Roasting Company, go support them if you want the best coffee up here. Go to Big Bear Smoke and Vape, best vape shop up here, and it's not just specifically vape stuff. They have a few other things, so at least go check them out and see if there's any way you can support them. The Cafe Crepe, another great spot, really, really good food. And Boulder Bay Market and Lakeview Market, those are the grocery stores I suggest you go check out. Yeah, that would be amazing. That would be amazing. When you go to Boulder Bay and Lakeview, say hi to Matt and Andy. Those are two of my very best friends in the whole wide world. And Donnie, another amazingly cool dude. Say what's up to him. Yeah, guys, can you believe this? Can you believe this? This is unbelievable. I can't believe it, to be honest. It's just awesome. And I'm using my new iPhone, my 16 Pro Max Plus Giant, whatever you call it, because I always use my iPhone 11 Pro Max for recording my videos. But I left that at home because I'm uploading the other video and then it just started dumping like this. So, you know, hey, I gotta do what I gotta do, right? Oh, it's so pretty, man. So pretty. You guys need to get your buns up here. Get your butts in gear and come up here. Enjoy yourselves. You gotta do it. You've got to do it. Look at everything's already turning white on all sides of the road here. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful weather. It's my favorite kind. Wow, guys. Wow, wow, wow. Good to have you here with me. Thank you all for all the support over all these years. I can never thank you guys enough for that. You guys make me feel so good. You're all my best friends in the whole wide world. I'm very lucky to have you guys in my life. I apologize that I've kind of forced my way into your lives. But hey, I'm the one who's doing this, you know? Kind of entering Middle Moonridge area right now. I don't think there's any point to go to Upper Moonridge. It's not going to be that much heavier, but we are going to go down a steep road just for fun. Right here. Oh, here we go. Yay! Steep road, yay! Oh my gosh, we're losing control. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. April Fools. You know what, I shouldn't joke like that because it's, you know, it's very possible that can happen. But happy April Fool's Day to everybody. It's not really snowing, just like I said in the last video. I'm using really good CGI. Yeah, it's freaking amazing, huh? Like, it looks so real. It looks so real. Even as I said, these hillsides are turning white. Like, CGI is pretty amazing stuff these days. Amazing stuff. Of course this is real, you guys. I just love it so much. It's not going to be fun though, guys, having to wake up at 5:30 and leave at 6:15 to be in Long Beach by 10 a.m. because I can't be late. I can't be late. If I'm 1 minute late, I'll have to come all the way back home, set up another appointment, and go back down. So that's why I'm leaving at 6:15, and I hope that's enough time because there's probably going to be a bunch of people who shouldn't be driving in this type of weather, driving up and down the mountain. Trust me, I don't think I should be driving either. But I've gotten away with it for 10 years driving in the snow here. And I do a pretty darn good job of it. If I might say so. Oh, I do a great job WTH driving through Big Bear and surrounding areas. Yes, I do. It is a lot of fun. It is really, really beautiful, but you got to really pay attention. You got to really pay attention. Temperature is 30 degrees. And it is looking gorgeous out here. So yeah, guys, this isn't going to be the longest video because, as I said, I have to be up early. I don't think it's going to snow harder than this. If it does overnight, I'm going to go back out and record it. But tomorrow's first video, it's not going to post till like the late afternoon, but it's going to be me driving down the mountain early in the morning in the snow all the way down to the bottom. So it'll be a whole Highway 330 and Highway 18 drive. Hope you guys enjoy it. Again, if it picks up more than even this tonight, of course I'll be back out, but in the meantime, I love you all very much. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Go over and win 200 bucks. Just click like and leave a comment. It takes 2 seconds and it'll help everyone so we can get to 1,000 likes and get a chance for you guys to win the $200 Visa gift card. Peace in the Middle East. I will talk to you all later.